Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Mobile. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, you can create a free account or log in if you already have one. The home screen features your watch list, where you can quickly see market data for your favorite assets. Tap on any asset to view its detailed chart and information. This initial setup gets you ready to explore the powerful features. Now let's dive into charting. Tap on an asset to open its chart. You can switch between different chart types, such as candlesticks or line charts, using the menu at the top. To add technical indicators, tap the plus icon and select from a wide range, like moving averages or the relative strength index. You can also draw trend lines and other annotations directly on the chart for your analysis. TradingView Mobile also allows you to set up crucial price alerts. Simply tap the alarm icon on a chart to create a new alert for a specific price level or condition. For practice, explore the paper trading feature, which lets you simulate trades with virtual money. If you have a linked brokerage account, you can even execute real trades directly from the app, making it a comprehensive trading platform. Finally, personalize your experience by customizing chart settings, themes, and color schemes to suit your preferences. Dive into the community section to explore trading ideas and analyses shared by other users, which can offer valuable insights. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This full guide should help you navigate TradingView Mobile effectively, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader looking for on-the-go analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.